Microbes in human welfare. Lactobacillus, lab, milk to curd. Lactobacillus acids coagulate and partially digest milk protein. Brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Fermented broth, distillation. Fermented broth, distillation, whiskey, brandy, rum. Fermented broth without distillation, beer, wine. Milk to curd, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Milk to curd, the vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Roquefort cheese, ripen flavor, fungi. Roquefort cheese, ripen flavor, fungi. Malted cereals and fruit juice, ethanol. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Malted cereals and fruit juice, ethanol, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Puffed up dough, idli, dosa, carbon dioxide gas. Puffed up dough, idli, dosa, carbon dioxide gas. Against life, antibiotics. Against life, antibiotics. Large hole, Swiss cheese. Reason, carbon dioxide. Propionibacterium shermani. The large holes of the Swiss cheese due to carbon dioxide. Propionibacterium shermani. Baker's yeast, bread, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Baker's yeast, bread, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Microbes in large number, industrial scale. Vessel fermenter. Microbe, large number, industrial scale. Vessel fermenter. Sap from palms, toddy. Sap from palms, toddy. Beverages, yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Beverages, yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Chemical produced by microbe to kill other microbe, antibiotic. Chemical produced by microbe to kill other microbe, antibiotic. Oldest food item, cheese. Oldest food item, cheese. Alexander Fleming, Staphylococcus aureus, killed by Penicillium notatum. Alexander Fleming, Staphylococcus aureus, killed by Penicillium notatum. Ernst Chain, Howard Florey, full potential as an effective antibiotic established. Ernst Chain and Howard Florey, full potential as an effective antibiotic established. Fleming Florey Chain, Nobel Prize 1945. Fleming Florey Chain, Nobel Prize 1945. Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus niger, citric acid. Aspergillus niger, citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid. Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid. Clostridium butyricum, butyric acid. Clostridium butyricum, butyric acid. Lactobacillus, lactic acid. Lactobacillus, lactic acid. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commercial production of ethanol. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commercial production of ethanol. Streptococcus, streptokinase. Streptococcus, streptokinase. Trichoderma polysporum, cyclosporin A. Trichoderma polysporum, cyclosporin A. Monascus purpureus, statin. Monascus purpureus, statin. Bacillus thuringiensis, biocontrol agent of the caterpillar of butterfly. Bacillus thuringiensis, biocontrol agent of the caterpillar of butterfly. Trichoderma species, free living fungi effective against several plant pathogens. Trichoderma species, free living fungi effective against several plant pathogens. Glomus mycorrhiza, phosphorus fixing fungi. Glomus mycorrhiza, phosphorus fixing fungi. Brassica and fruit trees, Bt powder. Brassica and fruit trees, Bt powder. Nucleopolyheterovirus, Bacillovirus. Nucleopolyheterovirus, Bacillovirus. Fungi, genus Mycorrhiza, Glomus. Fungi, the genus Mycorrhiza, Glomus. Activated sludge digested by bacteria and fungi, anaerobic sludge digester. Activated sludge digested by bacteria and fungi, anaerobic sludge digester. Grow anaerobically on cellulosic material, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane produce. Methanogens, methanobacterium, grow anaerobically on cellulosic material, that carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane. They produce that methanogen or methanobacterium. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, Leguminosae. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, Leguminosae. Rhizobium bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, Leguminosae, Rhizobium bacteria. Bacteria of rumen of cattle. Bacteria, rumen of cattle, methanogen. Anaerobic sludge digesters, activated sludge. Anaerobic sludge digester, activated sludge. Bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen, rhizobium. Bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen, rhizobium. Bacteria fix soil nitrogen, Azotobacter, Azotospirillum. Bacteria fix soil nitrogen, Azotobacter, Azotospirillum. Bacteria rich in gobar, methanobacteria. Bacteria rich in gobar, methanobacteria. Fungi association with plant, mycorrhiza. Fungi association with plant, mycorrhiza. Important biofertilizer in paddy field, cyanobacteria. Important biofertilizer in paddy field, cyanobacteria. Baculovirus attack, insects and arthropods. Baculovirus attack, insects and arthropods. Main sources of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria. Main sources of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria. Bacteria, anaerobic sludge, sewage treatment, methanobacteria. Bacteria, anaerobic sludge, sewage treatment, methanobacteria. Sachets of Bt powder, toxin, remove. Caterpillars of butterfly, sachets of Bt powder, toxin, remove. Caterpillars of butterfly. STP, sewage treatment plants. STP, sewage treatment plants. Primary and secondary treatment, 2 stages of sewage treatment. Primary and secondary treatment, 2 stages of sewage treatment. Association, resistance to root-borne pathogens, tolerance, salinity, drought, fungi, mycorrhiza, glomus. Association, resistance to root-borne pathogen, tolerance, salinity, tolerance from salinity and drought, fungi, mycorrhiza, glomus. Beetle with red and black marking, ladybird. Beetle with red and black marking, ladybird. Dung used as generation of biogas, gobar gas. Dung used as generation of biogas, gobar gas. Ladybird used for to get rid of aphids. Ladybird used for to get rid of aphids. Spent slurry, biogas plant used as fertilizer. Spent slurry, biogas in biogas plant used as biofertilizer. Bt cotton, cotton plant, Bt toxin gene. Bt cotton, cotton plant, Bt toxin gene. IARI and KVIC develop biogas technology. IARI and KVIC develop biogas technology. Dragonfly to get rid of mosquitoes. Dragonfly to get rid of mosquitoes. Biogas contain methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide. Biogas contain methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide. Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan. Predominant in biogas, methane. Predominant in biogas, methane. Fermentation of dough, cheese making, beverages, production of gas, carbon dioxide. Fermentation of dough, cheese making, beverages, production of gas, carbon dioxide. Grit, soil and pebbles are called grit, removed. Sedimentation, primary treatment. Grit, soil and pebbles, removed. Sedimentation, primary treatment. Constantly agitated mechanically, air pump, aeration tank, secondary treatment. Constantly agitated mechanically, air pump, aeration tank, secondary treatment. Masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form mesh-like structure, flax. Masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form mesh-like structure, flax. Masses of bacteria associated with fungal filament to form mesh-like structure, flax. Solid settle, form, primary sludge, primary treatment. Solid, settle, form, primary sludge, primary treatment. Who consume major part of organic matter? Flax. Who consume major part of organic matter? Flax. Supernatant form after sedimentation, effluent, primary treatment. Supernatant form after sedimentation, effluent, primary treatment. Who reduce BOD of effluent? Flax, secondary treatment. Who reduce BOD of effluent? Flax, secondary treatment. Effluent from primary settling tank taken to large aeration tanks, secondary treatment. Effluent from primary settling tank taken to large aeration tank, secondary treatment. Cyanobacteria, fixed atmospheric nitrogen, Nostac, Anabina, Acylatoria. Cyanobacteria, fixed atmospheric nitrogen, Nostac, Anabina, Acylatoria. Agitation and aeration leads development of flax. Agitation and aeration leads to development of flax. Measure of organic matter in water, BOD. Measure of organic matter in water, BOD. If BOD is more, organic matter is more. If BOD is less, organic matter is less. Measure of organic matter in water, BOD. If BOD is more, organic matter is more. If BOD is less, organic matter is less. Bacterial flax allowed to sediment, settling tank. Bacterial flax allowed to sediment, settling tank. Activated sludge, flax sediment. Activated sludge, flax sediment. Inoculum, small part of activated sludge. Inoculum, small part of activated sludge. Bottled juice, clarified. Pectinases, proteases. Bottled juice, clarified. Pectinases, proteases. Oily stain, statins, their stains, clean. Lipases, oily stains, clean. Lipases. Clot buster, streptokinase. Clot buster, streptokinase. Immunosuppressive agent, cyclosporin A. Immunosuppressive agent, cyclosporin A. Blood cholesterol agent, Monascus purpureus. Blood cholesterol agent, Monascus purpureus. Bacteria sewage treatment, heterotrophic bacteria. Bacteria sewage treatment, heterotrophic bacteria. Prevent myocardial infarction, streptokinase. Prevent myocardial infarction, streptokinase. Competitively inhibiting enzyme responsible for synthesis, statin. Competitively inhibiting enzyme responsible for statin, synthesis of statin. Physical removal, primary treatment. Biological removal, secondary or biological treatment. Filtration and sedimentation, primary treatment. Floating debris, sequential filtration, primary treatment. Floating debris, sequential filtration, primary treatment. Floating debris. Competitively inhibiting enzyme responsible for synthesis, statin. Prevent myocardial infarction, streptokinase. Bacteria sewage treatment, heterotrophic bacteria. Blood cholesterol agent, Monascus purpureus. Immunosuppressive agent, cyclosporin A. Clot buster, streptokinase. Oily stains cleaning, lipases. Bottled juice clarified, pectinases and proteases. Aspergillus niger, citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid. Clostridium butyricum, butyric acid. Lactobacillus, lactic acid. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commercial production of ethanol. Streptococcus, streptokinase. Trichoderma polysporum, cyclosporin A. Monascus purpureus, statin. Bacillus thuringiensis, biocontrol agent of caterpillar of butterfly. Trichoderma species, free-living fungi effective against several plant pathogens. Glomus, mycorrhiza, phosphorus fixing fungi. Brassica and fruit trees, BT powder. Nucleopolyheterovirus, bacillovirus. The genus fungi mycorrhiza, Glomus. Genus fungi mycorrhiza, Glomus. Thank you.